Are you a business leader that has been overwhelmed by AI and you're not sure of where or how to introduce AI into your business? Then this workshop is for you. It's aimed at giving mid-sized business leaders clarity, precision, and action. You can have it online or in person. It lasts for 4 hours, and the areas we cover are clarity, precision, and action. But before I go into the details of these aspects that are covered in the workshop, let me introduce you to myself. My name is Bulama Yusuf, and I've been designing, implementing, and leading the delivery of bespoke software systems for over 2 decades. Since 2016, my team and I at Intellectual Apps have been doing that for businesses. We've been designing and delivering bespoke software solutions, and that also includes AI solutions. We've worked with large corporations, government agencies, NGOs doing projects at the nationwide scale, mid-sized businesses, and startups. Now, when you take this AI strategy workshop, you don't just get clarity, precision, and action, but you leave with a roadmap for AI implementation in your business, a personalized roadmap. With clarity, which is the first part covered in the workshop, we aim to understand what AI truly is and what AI means to business. AI is not a chatbot. AI is not an image generator as is popularly portrayed on social media. AI is raw intelligence that you can deeply integrate into your business that helps you to remove inefficiencies and bottlenecks and helps you to reduce cost and shoot up your revenue. So that's what we cover with the clarity aspects. We also go through real-world use cases of how AI was implemented, what the successes were, and any challenges faced so that you can avoid those challenges. The second part is precision. And with precision, we follow a standardized structure to help you identify impactful use cases in your business. Use cases that would have the best benefit of having AI introduced into them. We look at your workflows, we look at your culture to help you identify where best and how to introduce AI. The last part of the workshop focuses on action, being able to come up with a roadmap for implementation. We look at your technology infrastructure. We look at which adjustments you need to make in your workflows. We also explore if you need to make any changes to your culture in order to make sure you have a foundation for the implementation of AI. I truly believe that deep integration of AI can transform mid-sized businesses, and it's not only reserved for the large enterprises only. With every passing day, the window for early adoption of AI is closing for mid-sized businesses. So take action now. Register your interest and we'll be in contact to arrange your own personal AI strategy workshop.